Hi, and welcome back to the latest video of how to add and edit your new WordPress website. In this video, we're going to be going over how to organize a menu. So we'll say maybe you added a new page and you want to know how to add it to your menu so people can find it, or maybe you want to remove a page. So that's what we're going to be going over today. So there's two ways to do this. The most convenient way is just to go over to your website. Make sure you're logged into WordPress, or you'll be able to see this black bar here. And you're just going to hop on over to Customize. Then you're going to go to Menus, Main Menu, and you'll be able to see all the pages you currently have accessible from your main navigation. And you're just going to click Add Items, and you can add a page here. So say you wanted to add it, it would add right on to that. I'm just going to close this out real quick. Okay, so you can see it here, Style Guide. Now, we'll say we wanted to make it a drop-down menu. So we would just drag it over here and nest it right under this little Our Story tab. So if we go to Our Story, there it is. Now we'll just say we wanted it to be a drop-down to a drop-down. So we would just go over here and nest it right under this drop-down item. So if we went over to Services, Copywriting Coaching, there it is. So we'll say we wanted to remove a page down. We just go right on over to a page, click on it, and remove. As simple as that. There's a couple of other things you can do. We'll say maybe you wanted to add like a custom link to your website. We'll say you wanted to link to your Facebook page. Add to menu. And there you go. Now you can link to your Facebook page. And that's about it as far as adding and removing menu items goes. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@unconditional.media. Thanks for watching, and join us next time to see how to add and remove pages.